안녕하세요. 오늘 제가 소개시켜 드릴 제품은 pandawill 나온 Ocean Wave Projector입니다. 제품 박스를 일단 보여드릴게요. 박스는 이렇습니다. 플레인 박스. 뒷면 위아래는 뭐 별게 없어요. 옆에도 그렇고 비어 있습니다. 앞뒤로만 있는데 이게 어떤 용도냐면은 주로 이제 아이들이 쓰는 건데 나일라이트죠. 이 키면은 불이 들어와서 주로 지붕이나 사방벽에 이제 그 모양을 만들어 주는 거예요. 불이 켜지면서 오늘 음악도 나오고 말로는 스피커도 된다고 그러네요. 핸드폰으로 연결을 해서 노래도 틀 수 있다고. 그런데 뭐 노래는 별로 들을 것 같지도 않고 스피커도 저는 틀지 않을 것 같아요. 왜냐면 밤에 자야 되는데 시끄러우니까 불만 들어오게 하는 용도가 더 좋지 않을까 생각을 해요. Hello guys, today I'm going to review about remote control Ocean Wave Projector. It simulates the ocean wave on your walls, especially on your ceiling. So basically it's for the kids. And also they claim it to be work as a Bluetooth speaker. So you could connect your phone to this projector to play music. And plus it has its own sound even without the phone. And it's convenient to have a remote control. You could switch it your mode. So let me just open the box and show you guys. Okay, let's try opening it. Let's open this first. Another box. I hate it. This must be the remote control. These are the remote control. It comes with it. Back said nothing, just the battery compartment. The front is the remote control. So, and instruction, which I don't read. I may need this. What else? Oh, look at this charging cable included. Nice. It looks like it's full-size cable. Micro USB. I don't expect to be a USB-C. Micro USB cable. Pretty long cable. Strap-on. And this is the actual item itself. Show you. And these are the items itself. Yes, it's a speaker grill on the side. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. There's a speaker grill right on the bottom. I noticed there's only one speaker grill, which means I don't think it's a stereo. And I'm going to charge this and wait until it get dark because it's too bright to turn this on and show you guys. And let me wait to get dark and show you the result at night. Anyway, this was my review for remote control Ocean Wave Projector. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.